revolutionize the legal industry through advanced AI-driven legal solutions. Utilizing a large language model called LLM, specifically trained on an extensive in-house database of legal documents, LexLegis.ai will provide concise and meaningful answers to legal queries in seconds, complete with supporting sources and citations. LexLegis AI was co-founded by the late Shri S.C. Yadav, a retired Chief Commissioner of Income Tax and Vice Chairman of the Settlement Commission, and his son, Mr. Sakar S. Yadav. Their vision was to use technology to expedite legal research and ultimately justice. They built India's largest database of judgments with jeopardizing content. Mr. Yadav. Mr. Yadav is the visionary founder of LexLegis.ai. With over 25 years of deep domain expertise, Mr. Yadav has been instrumental in integrating cutting-edge technology for faster and more efficient legal research. He is a frequent speaker at various government seminars on tax and compliance, sharing his insights with broad audiences. Mr. Yadav was inspired by his father, the late Shri S.C. Yadav, to create India's largest database of judgments. Together, they laid the foundation for what would become LexLegis.ai that we see today. Personally, a little bit more about him. He's a technology enthusiast, farmer.
Never addressed a press conference before, but मैं बाकी जो conference में जाता हूँ, अगर इतनी धीरे से ताली बजती है तो मैं बोलता हूँ थोड़ा सा तो बजा दीजिए ताली. तो स्टेज चेक करें. इसने कुछ तो सही निकाला, लेकिन मेरे फोटो के नीचे अमित कुमार लिख दिया है और किसी और के नीचे साकार यादव लिख दिया. आई एम साकार यादव. दिस इज ऑल्सो हैपनिंग इन द लीगल रिसर्च इन एआई. सो क्या हो रहा है, इसको कहते हैं हेलुसिनेशन. कि डॉक्यूमेंट्स तो बना देता है, जैसे if the OpenAI, ChatGPT या ये सब जो है, अगर एक अच्छा सा लेटर लिखता है हमारे लिए, if they write a good letter, so हम लोग को अच्छा लगता है. देखिए उन्होंने नया लेटर बना दिया, लेकिन एक नया जजमेंट बना दे या एक नया सर्कुलर बना दे जो एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता. If it does not exist and gives you a circular or a judgment, then it's a big problem, right? So I was just trying to explain all of you that this is how legal research is done. And अगर आप लोग सब में से कोई सब लोग ऐसे खुशकिस्मत हैं, if you all are fortunate, you have never had a court case in your family. How many of you have never seen a court case in your family? Can you raise your hands? Legal process gets delayed right from research to the drafting, to understanding an issue, framing a reply, submitting in the court. All of that takes time. And so, good afternoon everybody. Thank you all for joining us today. Thank you very much for joining from the busy schedule. We have come from Bombay to meet all of you. It's an important day today as we take a significant step with the launch of LexLegis.ai in the tax and legal landscape. LexLegis.ai isn't just another tool, it's a pioneering platform designed to revolutionize how tax and legal practice and research is done today in India and maybe the world tomorrow. We have built a solution with one goal in mind, ek udesh, enhancing legal research and empowering tax and legal professionals by saving time and ensuring accuracy. Sahi cheez bahar nikle. Today we are releasing a model that makes research more accessible and more practical. That's the ASK model. This marks not only the culmination of months of hard work by our team, but also our dedication to innovation in the tax and legal industry. I'm excited to share more about what are we doing in LexLegis.ai, and I will give you a brief presentation as to where I'll explain to you how we have gone about, and in the end, please feel free to ask me questions. Large language model solution. accelerating research and expediting justice. That is why there is a delay. Indian laws are complex, and both citizens and lawyers are in constant search of answers and solutions to their legal issues. They need information, and quality information comes from a robust database. Database मतलब कोई भी information. So judgments and all legal notification circulars in the country. 2014 we worked with the National Judicial Reference System. In output बहुत अच्छा output आएगा इसका. हम लोग ने अलग-अलग जो LLM से उसके साथ हम लोग ने कंपेयर किया है, and the legal fraternity, the tax chartered accountants जो इसको यूज कर रहे हैं, people who are using it, they are very satisfied with the output that we are giving. They feel we are better. तो हम लोग bias free रहे, मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि आप सिर्फ सरकार के पक्ष में जवाब दें या सरकार के विरुद्ध जवाब दें या पिटिशनर के पक्ष में जवाब दें या रिस्पोंडेंट के पक्ष में जवाब दें. इट हैज टू बी बायस फ्री, किसी का पक्ष नहीं ले, कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव, मतलब सारा चीज मिले, एंड सिक्योर. अल्टीमेटली आप जो सर्च कर रहे हैं आपके लिए आपका प्राइवेसी, आपका सुरक्षा किसी का था, नाम किसी का था. सो हेलुसिनेशन मतलब ये जनरेटिव टेक्नोलॉजी है. जनरेटिव टेक्नोलॉजी मतलब ये जनरेट करता है. तब जनरेट करता है कभी कभी तो जो उसका लर्निंग है तो वो गलत भी जनरेट कर सकता है. तो आप अगर देखेंगे तो हम लोग ने बोला है कि हम लोग वी आर ट्रेन ऑन सुपर ऑथेंटिक डेटा. हम लोग कोई ब्लॉग्स, कोई कमेंट्रीज, कोई ओपिनियंस पे ट्रेनिंग नहीं कर रहे हैं. हम लोग लीगल डॉक्यूमेंट्स पे ट्रेन कर रहे हैं. एक बहुत सीनियर वकील थे, उन्होंने एक बहुत एक्सप्लेनेबल AI, वी गिव एक्सप्लेनेशन and source references as to how did I get this, which document, which circular, which judgment was important. We are launching 3 models. Today we are launching the first model, Ask. We call it the Legal Aid, AID. A stands for Ask, I stands for Interact, and D stands for Draft. Ask is a legal research model जहाँ पे आप इसको question पूछ सकते हैं. Interact is a document interaction tool. Now, it's not just a document summarization tool, it's more complex than that. Let me tell you. So, Ask is not a fact-finding tool. It is a legal research. आपके पास कोई legal question of law है, तो आप उसमें आप पूछ सकते हैं, it will give you answers. Interact is जहाँ आपके पास 4 documents हैं. किसी एक वकील ने केस फाइल किया, सामने से respondent ने जवाब दे दिया, the respondent gives a reply. You file a rejoinder, you get a reply again. Now, आपके पास opposite party के 2 replies हैं. तो सबसे पहला चीज क्या दिमाग में आता है? सबसे पहला चीज आता है कि ये second और first में अलग क्या बात है? तो आप पूछ सकते हैं कि इस डॉक्यूमेंट और इस डॉक्यूमेंट में अलग क्या है? या आप पूछ सकते हैं इस डॉक्यूमेंट में ऐसा क्या चीज लिखा है? What is written in this document that contradicts my statement? वो फट से within 10 seconds आपको आउटपुट ला के दे देगा. It's going to save so much time and effort. Contracts in a legally correct format, and we have got inquiries from certain members, etc., in tribunals where they have requested us to demonstrate the capability whether we can help them in drafting orders. A big backlog in the judicial thing is also because the number of people who are typing the orders for the judges or the members are far few. So there's a little backlog there. This will help expedite that. So we are not building it for any one person. हम लोग सबके लिए बना रहे हैं. We're building for law firms, we're building for corporate legal departments, we're building for courts, tribunals, government departments, we're building for SMEs, MSMEs. We'll also intend in the next year to launch it for professionals and individuals if they have got legal query. And the most important, and something that we're very happy, you will get it in multiple Indian languages. In next year when we launch it, you will get it in multiple Indian languages. आप हिंदी में, गुजराती में, तमिल में आप सवाल पूछ सकते हैं और आपको तमिल में आपको सही आंसर सोर्सेस के साथ लाके आपको देगा. So this is our roadmap on how we want to. So right now we are launching the Ask model where you can ask questions. Then we intend to launch the Interact model where you can interact with documents. Then presently our pricing, we are in the price discovery mode. We are not launching because आप लोगों को मालूम होगा ये जो prices हैं GPUs वगैरह के वो काफ़ी high हैं. तो हम लोग अभी we are still structuring to find the pricing. and in the next few weeks we'll be announcing Uprising. These are the global leaders in legal LLM. On the right that you see is a company called Case Text. This has been acquired by a very large Vastav, who is an engineer and alumnus from Vanderbilt, and he has decades of international experience in leading global financial institutions and driving machine learning technologies.